I'm meteorologist from Market City with the Weatherman. This video for this Monday. Sorry, I'm a little late today. Just busy morning. All right, so a lot of things are happening. The weather pattern, I think, is starting to show its hand in terms of changing around a little bit. The rainy weather pattern that we've been in the eastern part of the country looks like it's ready to break, which is good news. And even out west, there's some indications the heat's going to kind of back down a little bit as well. So as we're heading toward the later part of August, things are starting to shift around a little bit. Even when you look at the satellite picture today, um, this was left over from the storm yesterday that brought the rain into the Mid-Atlantic states. Or the clouds and drizzle all the way back up in the Appalachians, which are finally starting to break up. So sick and tired of rain. I tell you. I know somebody in California is going, "What? How can you be tired of rain? I need rain." I'm like, "Well, I'm sorry, but it's been raining for almost 55 days here in central Pennsylvania this summer." But anyway, big storm out here in the plains across Iowa. Almost one of these little land cane type of things where it's windy and rainy all around it. And then big time severe weather across Mississippi Valley today into Tennessee Valley. And there could be some hail, high winds, maybe some tornado activity there. Even some severe weather probably going on up here toward the notch of the low, which is not uncommon. Then tomorrow, the severe weather heads over to Pennsylvania, um, which it might be met with some resistance across central PA because we're going to have more of an easterly flow. And typically, those easterly flows kind of kill the thunderstorms as they come off the Appalachian front. All right, let's see. Tropics are quiet. Okay. And here's the satellite picture, radar picture. Here's that storm system sitting up here northeast of Kansas City. You can see all the rain circling around it right now. So far, the rain's behaving itself. It's not coming down. It's heavy, but it's not like concentratingly heavy to produce flood problems. And then if we go down further south, sometimes Henry, I need bifocals. Where's myself? There you go. Thunderstorms already underway across parts of Memphis, but these are the thunderstorms back here, which are going to come on through and be the big ones for this afternoon. In fact, this is the um, uh, what are these guys? SPC guys. I'm just losing my brain today. Forecast for today. I would probably extend the slight risk area all the way up into here. Okay, because typically you have two areas. When the jet coming around, you get crud, the left front quadrant, and you get the right rear quadrant of the jet producing severe weather. And I think we'll see some severe weather up here towards Chicagoland, up into lower Great Lakes today, then tomorrow up into Pennsylvania, Maryland. Now the problem is going to be there's going to be kind of a front sitting in like this, kind of a warm front. So you're going to get easterly flow coming in, so you're going to end up having a lot of low clouds and crud. If that stuff breaks up and the winds go more southerly, then the severe weather will propagate itself more into the Susquehanna Valley here in Pennsylvania. But for the most part, it's going to be here, western PA down through Virginia, and there could be some tornadoes tomorrow as well. High winds certainly going to be the problem in a lot of areas, and then things calm down on Wednesday. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see. What do I show? This is the one map I wanted to show for today didn't show up. But anyway, this is the NAM 3K simulator radar for tomorrow, and you can see the thunderstorms here across western PA all the way down here. Now, what happens is that again, I don't know if you probably can't see this too well in the video. I guess you can see it if you look hard. I know you old guys gotta look hard, but the wind component is out of the east like this, so you tend to get more easterly flow in there, and then you can see the thunderstorms kind of hit this brick wall in here, and they go kind of die out as they come across because the air mass is more ocean air mass versus the air mass down here across Virginia and western PA, which is more coming from the land. It's going to be more hot and humid type of air mass. So whatever squall line develops here will continue to propagate southeast bound down into DC, Baltimore, kind of following along that boundary tomorrow. And there will be some thunderstorms up here across Ontario as well for our Canadian folks that could be severe. All right, so kind of an interesting day coming up tomorrow with severe weather. Here's the GFS model for tomorrow. Probably going to be the last day of rain for many of you. The storm system heads up into Canada tomorrow. Cold front's going to come on through. And you can see, let me draw it here. You can see the cold front's here, and then you can see the warm front sitting right in through here. Okay, so it's anywhere in this little notch is where you're going to have your severe weather. And there will be some thunderstorms still down here across the south that we'll have to deal with as well. Then we get to Wednesday, the front heads off the coast, drier, much better air comes in, and it's going to be a much better day. Looks like there's a little secondary front coming through with some showers. And then we get to on Thursday, beautiful weather pattern across here. Everybody drying out across the eastern part of the country. Some thunderstorms start to break out across plains. Still kind of hottish out west and dry. I know they want the rain. And that nice weather sticks around on Friday. Just a beautiful weather pattern here. Low humidity, low dew points, temperatures in the 70s and low 80s. Just a nice weather pattern. But the hot air is coming back. Okay, but I think the rain is pretty much done for now. This is Saturday, and you can see Saturday's still a nice day across Northeast here, but this is heat coming back. So it will get hotter next week, but I don't think the rains are coming. I think now what we're going to have to start doing is we're going to have to start watching the tropics, because now the big highs are coming down, and now it's time to start watching the tropics as we head into September. Eventually, we have to deal with it, folks. So hopefully all this dry weather will get these creeks and streams and rivers to calm down before any kind of tropical system comes up and causes problems. That's my kind of big worry. Okay, that's it for today. I am meteorologist Henry Marcasetti.